Come test drive the 2019 Ford Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preference of its drivers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, CD player, MP3 player, passenger airbag, power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.